Fantje iz Pizduna so bili pa spet dejavni ta vikend.
Smo bili 3 oziroma 2. Naslednje smo Ediscan.
Jaz sem Gianni, kitarist skupine Ediscan. Mislim, da je en revival nazaj tudi v našem prostoru se pojavil. Recimo, precej novih bendov, ko so začeli pred kakim letom, pol leta in je spodbudno, ne? Tukaj je par fantov, mladih pa punc, ki so začutili ta utrip, ne? Da pomagajo sovrstnikom, da pridejo isto misleči ljudje na kup, ne? Mislim, da je to idealno, ne? Izredno, ne? Ker to, kar počnejo tukaj, ne, je hvale vredno, pa vredno podpore, vsakršne spodbude nadaljne, ne. Pomagati jim je treba, kdorkoli jim lahko pomaga, jim more pomagati, ne. Pozivam, če bo to javno objavljeno, pozivam mlade, naj se združijo, pa naj skotirajo v Krškem, v Sevnici ali pa v Brežicah en prostor, ker jim noben nič ne more. Če bojo združeni, pa če bojo imeli interes, pa željo, pa voljo, pa to ljubezen do druženja, do drugačnega izražanja, jim noben nič ne more. Tudi politika, tudi policija jim nič ne more in to se more zgoditi tudi pri nas. Skrajni cajt je.
Imenuje se Nasilje ni rešitev.
Pusti televizijo,
Zakaj? Tako, zato ker so se vedno na zdaj, ko smo delali tle koncert stepli in danes upamo, da ne bo tega. Noben drug ne dela tega, razen nas, tle. Kako daleč naokrog? V takem placu zelo daleč, pa ne vem koliko daleč, ampak dosti daleč. To je to.
Can present yourself?
My name is Paul. Yeah, I'm from England. I was born near Manchester, and now I'm in Brežice.
What are you doing in Brežice?
I'm teaching at the Gymnasia Brežice. I'm teaching English and philosophy and geography and kind of, you know, music and art and anything really that's, all subjects, yeah.
For how long? You choose Slovenia or they choose you?
Yeah, I chose Slovenia because of philosophy. You know, I was inspired to kind of come to Slovenia because of philosophy. Today.
Yeah, today.
Today's been fantastic. I mean, I have to say it's wonderful to come to a sort of space in Slovenia. How did I find it? Well, I was fortunate to find it because I had a lift here. And, you know, obviously, so otherwise I would be walking from, Brežice to this place, and it would have been a long way. Well, I'm here tonight. I know it sounds really pathetic saying this, but I'm here tonight looking at kind of bands that for me kind of are saying things differently from what the mainstream kind of... I was at Materansky Ples, for instance, like, you know, the Gymnasia, wonderful people there, obviously, you know, but also like traditional music, traditional music is also sometimes bad, and sometimes we need music which is not about tradition. We need music which is about the future, music which is about challenging tradition, challenging kind of a way we think about life.
To je v bistvu ena žival, nekaj meter visoka, pa v bistvu je mit pa legenda, ne, v bistvu tako vesoljci, ne, baza 51 pa to sravi, ne, in v bistvu
V bistvu smo se na hitro dogovorili, da bomo igrali na podlagi BOS, pa Eneja, pa ki je Enej navdušen nad Williamom vokalom, je prišla ideja, da bi lahko bilo nekaj fajnega, no, pa smo se zbrali. Ni opredeljeno.
Ja, več vrsti je, ne? Praktično. Ja.